Skills Pays Bills Boxing back with another video, and this time hot on the heels of Friday's news. Saul Canelo Alvarez looks like he will be taking on Caleb Plant, the undefeated American IBF Super Middleweight champion, on Saturday, December the 19th. This is pending approval. This hasn't been confirmed, but there are rumours starting to circulate on YouTube and across the internet, as well as on Boxrec. I'll leave a screenshot in a moment where it shows it looks like the fight is on, with both men slated to fight each other. So it looks like it's on. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this fight? Give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.